The data in Excel can be validated using some rules set in data validation dialog. Let us understand data validation by considering an example. Choose the cell or a group of cells to validate and click on Data Validation under Data tab. It is important to remember that the validation applies to new data entered in the cells where rules are placed. Existing data is not validated. After clicking on the data validation, a pop-up appears regarding the validation criteria. The following validations are possible. Any value allows any alphanumeric value in the cells. Now let us learn about whole number. This validation criteria allows whole numbers and a set of rules, including a range of minimum and maximum to be set. Now let us know about list. List allows only a list of values specified in a range of cells or written manually in the source input box. Now let us learn about date. This validation criteria allows only dates and a set of rules, including a range of minimum and maximum to be set. Let us now learn about time. This validation criteria allows only time values and a set of rules, including a range of minimum and maximum to be set. Let us now learn about text length. In this criteria, only text is permitted within the specified length and a set of rules on the length to be set. Finally, let us know about custom. In this criteria, custom rules on data can be set.